Hey everyone, it's Mike here from Birchwood Credit Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how you can rebuild your credit and properly manage your debt. Now, it may seem a little backwards, but the fact of the matter is that you need credit in order to build or repair your credit. Let's start with revolving credit. Most often, this refers to credit cards. Now, it's called revolving credit because your monthly balances and payments rise and fall. Now, let's talk about installment credit. This type of credit essentially starts with a fixed balance, making fixed payments until you get down to a $0 balance. Just having those types of debt isn't enough. What's most important is how you manage your credit. Now, here's 3 tips on how you can do so. First, let's avoid getting multiple credit cards and checking accounts. Reconciling your banking into one checking account and having one credit card allows you to properly budget and manage your monthly expenses. Second, create a detailed plan for yourself and set some hard limits on potential spends. Lastly, and certainly the most important, please make all your payments on time. Even if you can only make the minimum required payment, do so. So there you go. If you're looking for some more advice, please check out our blog at birchwoodcredit.com.